Well, hi. Ooh, I'm back. So it's currently Mother's Day. It's 31st today. I'm pretty sure I'm going to put this video up tomorrow on Monday. But yeah, hi, I'm back. I've got a cold, which is great. And if my lighting's a bit funny, it's because it's really sunny outside, so one side's really bright and the other's not. Love that. If you see me drinking a green, not very nice looking juice, it's because I'm trying to heal myself, so. I thought I would just do a kind of chilled out get ready with me Mother's Day, like I said. So yeah, I'm going out with my mum. We're just going to my sister's restaurant where she works to get some breakfast and stuff, and then we're gonna go shopping and that kind of thing. I thought I would just do a get ready with me because why not? And I haven't actually put on a full face of makeup on in a while. I thought it'll just be fun to do a get ready with me. So I've literally just washed my face in the bathroom. That's all I've done on my face or anything. So I think I'm going to do my face first because I feel like you can kind of chat the most when you do face makeup. So just using some toner for now. I've got some Colourpop pigments, the Zodiac collection that I wanted to use. I've used a couple of them. I want to use more of the colours, so I'm probably going to use one of those all over the lid. So I think I'm going to do like a pinky kind of look, which probably won't go with what I'm wearing because I'm wearing a kind of grungy grey t-shirt. Maybe I shouldn't go for pink. Okay, I might change. Toner done. I've just been using the Thayer's one and I really like it. It's very nice for the skin. I want to have this kind of get ready with me about the makeup anyway, not necessarily chatting, but I don't really have much to talk about, to be honest. So I'm just going to go in with the Flower Beauty Skin Elixir. I haven't used this in a while. It's kind of like my moisturiser. Oiliness has not returned, and to be fair, I'm kind of happy about that because I never liked having oily skin, but then again I don't like having dry skin, so I can't really win. Probably see this in my favourites video. I've already filmed my favourites video, to be fair, and it'll probably go up on Wednesday, but this is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizer Primer. It's in my favourites video, so I'll talk about it a bit more in there. I'm just going to add this kind of where I have the most visible pores. Also, I've got my windows like wide open because it's really warm outside, so if you can hear birds chirping away, they aren't sound effects, they're actual birds chirping away. Oh no, there's a big bee. No. Hold on. Close my window a bit. I am not having a huge bee come in my room right now. Foundation. We're going bougie. I'm going to be using my Armani foundation. It's the Luminous Silk one. Yeah, I've been using brushes recently, so I'm just going to use a brush to apply it. I feel like I'm going to use my Too Faced bun this way. I want something quite full coverage. All of that, I'm going to use an old love of mine, the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. I'm going to cream contour. I'm going to use my Suzanne Jackson. This is the Cool one. To go over that a little bit, I'm going to use my Ofra Americano bronzer. I think I might finish the rest of the skin after off, actually. I might do like the blush and highlight after. Brows first, quickly. I've forgotten how to fill my brows in. I haven't done it in so long. Go over my brows with some clear brow gel. I think eyes, I'm just going to go with what I was going to do. I'm going to use this pigment. It's the Zodiac one. I'm going to stick to it and just go with the kind of pinky, warm, rosy kind of vibe. Obviously this palette, so I'll just speed through it and I'll just show you what I'm using and everything like that. Okay, so how are we feeling? I really like this. I used these scales. That's the name of the pigment that I used, I think. Yeah, the scales. That's so nice. I really like that. It's the first time I've used the scales before. And I've got no fallout. I just used a setting spray. I didn't like use a glitter glue or anything. And that looks so nice. I'm really happy with how that looks. Apply some eyeliner just to the top lash line. My Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I know I've just realised I've just set my face and I haven't done my blush, but oh well. I'm just going to use my Burt's Bees blush. This is the Bare Peach shade. For highlighter, I'm going to be using my Amrezy highlight. This is my LA Girl lip liner in the shade Bare. Good timing because my battery's about to die. Lipstick, I'm just going to use the Anastasia Liquid Lip in Stripped. Leave it like that. I don't know whether to add a gloss over top or not. I think I might keep it matte. I don't know, because I wanted to try the clear Colourpop plumping gloss, but I think I might leave it because yeah, the eyes are pretty glittery, so I think I'll just leave it. That's it for my makeup. We are all done and I'm feeling it. I really like that Colourpop pigment. So yes, that is it for today's video. I know it was very chilled out. We like being chilled here, so thank you so much for watching. Please remember to make sure that you're subscribed if you aren't already, and give the video a thumbs up as well if you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!